Hello, Jamaica. My name is Steve, and I'm here to seize it up.
No, coach, not seize. Seal it up.
Seize it up?
No, my coach, seal it up.
Seize it up. Yeah, when the coach are done, they do, you know. I don't believe if we are going to need, you know. And this is how we now move. Seize up. All aside, I need a little composure upon the ball, you know. Because if we can get that right, every side out there, no worries, you know. They lost their what? Let me just make this clear. Some of you are just here to make up numbers, yeah? Before me show you, say, what the man them have me and them Panadol Ultra like a sweetie, brother. Hey, Ravel, Steve here. How would you like to travel to the US? All expenses paid, of course. No, not for football, you bloke. For pleasure. Seize it up. Suspect said the general is back, but I know we can't see him. General, Sonny stay, brother. But I don't lie. Seize it up. I'll be playing your match instructions, so listen keenly. You understand? Seize it up. Some people may not get this, yeah? Winning is important, but it's not always important to win. You know, say 2.5 hours I'm stuck in the traffic what day. 2.5 hours, brother, them man couldn't even get to Andrea. So I'm finna it again. Me idiot. Coach, you now start see seize it up. What they want name Colgate, Southgate, Broadgate. If all you forward for do a collect card, you know, I better you gotta do that out of the toll gate. Now hear me, lads. It's half time, yeah? We're down 3-0. The whole lot of y'all look like, how do you say this in Jamaica? Want to get back my goal them before me doing something big, man. I want to do. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm shame, you know. Hey, man, I'm excited to see we're gonna rise again, man. Just have to go and hold it for 2, you know. You see me? Seize it up. Now everyone is gonna think I can't coach. You Martin looking at thing and realize, say, coach not good, you know. The man know him players them, you know. The man blind to your game right now, you know. But anyway, I Steve him name still. Stevie Wonder. Kiss me neck back. Seize it up. What are you doing? Oh, so this is why Grimmy left. Right now, I'm supposed to have beg no man to come play for you know. If you don't want to play for you, don't come. I'm literally calling you to beg you to play for Jamaica. Please, I'm begging you. Seize it up. Yeah, man, the thing I look better, you know, man. Promotion look good. Coaching no bad. We just see like a time and we're good, you know. Even them not good. You all we are going, you know. I not stop support the team, you know. You hear me disappointed, yes, but it must turn around sometime, you know. I make a day when it turn around, you know.